Okay, we'll do a couple different ones of just adding. So, looking for a volunteer. I got negative 10 plus a positive 5. Who wants to raise their hand? Tell me exactly what you need to do on here. Andrew, what do you got to do? Bzz. Opposite signs do what? Anytime you have a red and a black, positive and negative, subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. Keep the sign of 10. What's your answer, Andrew? Negative 5. Let me do like 3 of these, and I'm going to switch it up and make it harder. Negative 4 plus positive 8. Who's got my answer? Fast. Nick?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. I like your 8 minus 4 is 4, but keep the sign of the larger absolute value. Positive 4. Let's do 2 more. Oh, negative 2, negative 4. Who can quickly give me my answer? Yeah. Negative 6. How come 2 negatives is not a positive? When is that? What math operation will 2 negatives give me a positive? Multiplying. That's negative 6. Last one. Then I'm going to make it harder on you guys because you're smart. 2 plus 7. Okay, everybody's hand should be up. This is a gigantically easy one. Yes. 9. Now, whoa, I'm going to make this one harder though because that's a great transition into my next step. If I have a subtraction sign here, you can't subtract more than you have. You also cannot subtract negative. So you switch this to be 2 minus 7 becomes 2 plus a negative 7. So what I want everyone to see on here, if this was subtracting, this would become 2 plus a negative 7. Who wants to give me my answer then? Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, it would be negative 5.
Negative 5. Let's continue with subtracting to see who's really, really on top of it. Whoa, upside down. Negative 10 minus a negative 5. Now, if this is minus a negative, you cannot subtract negatives. If I was allowed to subtract a negative, I'd never pay a bill. This has to get changed to negative 10 plus a positive 5, and that becomes subtract absolute value. Keep the sign of the larger absolute value. What's my answer? Yeah. Negative 5. We got time to do 3 more. The clock's ticking. Who's got my next one? Let's go try to confuse you a smidge. Let's make this adding to begin with. 4 plus a negative 2. If I'm adding this, what is my answer? 4 plus a negative 2. Test. Positive 2. Now, stop though. Let's make this way harder. 4 minus a negative 2. Can't subtract negatives. You have to switch it to plus a positive. So if this is 4 minus a negative 2, it becomes 4 plus a positive 2. What's my answer? 6. Perfect. Let's make it even harder. How about a positive 4 times a negative 2? Positive 4 times a negative 2. Yeah. Negative 8. Okay, let's make this dividing. 4 divided by negative 2. Yeah. Negative 2. You guys are well on your way. That's my last example because I'm at 3 minutes. Negative 9. Negative 8. First thing I want you to do is I want you to multiply these. Negative 9 times negative 8. What's my answer? Josh. Positive 72. What happens if I made this an addition problem? Negative 9 plus a negative 8. Yeah. Negative 17. Now the last part that I want to make it really hard. Negative 9. Oh, I don't even have one because I used it up. Negative 9 minus a negative 8 becomes plus a positive 8. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me if this is a subtracting sign? Negative 9 minus a negative 8 becomes plus a positive 8. What's my answer if I'm adding these? Yes. Negative 1. Perfect.